big fan of Vietnamese cuisine, and I think you're going to love this one because it's a beautiful caramelized pork tenderloin. And I'll start by making the dressing first, and that consists of some honey and some rice wine vinegar, some sriracha, which is a Southeast Asian hot sauce, some fish sauce, just a dash, garlic powder, and some freshly squeezed lime juice. And then mix it all together until it's beautifully incorporated. Now I've got my grill pan heating, and I made a marinade for the pork tenderloin, which is in 1-inch pieces. And that marinade consists of brown sugar, sriracha sauce, soy sauce, garlic powder, a little sesame oil, and a little fish sauce. And I'll coat each of the pieces in that marinade and then put them in the grill pan. Now I've grilled the pork tenderloin for about 4 to 6 minutes until it's nicely cooked through. Now I'm putting it on a platter, and I'll drizzle that reserved dressing that I made earlier and then cover it with foil just to keep it warm while I finish the dish. Now on a wok or a large saute pan, heat up some sesame oil, and then add in some sliced red bell pepper and some sliced onions, and stir fry those for a few minutes. And then add in some bean sprouts and stir fry those. And finally add in some snow peas. Add that to the mix, stir fry them well, and then to finish, go ahead and add some soy sauce. The recipe's on the website, or you can write to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching the Tastiest 2 Minutes in Television. See you next time.